In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your notebook on NotebookLM publicly. So if you want to share a notebook with anyone, all you have to do is look to the upper right hand side once you open up a notebook, click on share, and at the bottom here, you'll find notebook access. It's currently set to restricted. So if you share if you add an email address at the top, then it's going to be restricted to those people who you want to add it to. But if you want anyone with the link, just click where it says restricted, send to anyone with the link, and that's pretty much all that you have to do. Just ensure that you decide if you want them to view the full notebook or you just want them to have access to chat only, right? So let's say we leave it a notebook, then we click on share or just simple copy the link, click save, and that's it. Anyone with the link will be able to view the notebook. So let's say I work with it like this. I'm going to copy this, then click on save. And right now, if I go ahead and let's say open up incognito window right here, paste that link to the notebook, you will see basically I need to enter my email address, but you get a general idea. But they'll be able to actually view that notebook from the URL. Let me go ahead and paste the URL right here. And so they'll be able to actually view that notebook. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.